This is the Daci Royal Flash, the third model in the Decora Daci series, manufactured in 1951. A German box camera featuring a sleek metal body in the classic Streamline style. It features two shutter modes, B for bulb and I for instantaneous. The lens offers an adjustable focus range from 1.5 meters all the way to infinity. And it comes equipped with a sync port for an external flash unit. It captures 12 6x6 frames on a standard roll of 120 film. I was intrigued to see how the flash mechanism was integrated. To access the internal assembly, you first have to remove the film winding knob. I found a missing wire that originally connected the copper element to the body terminal. This is the remnant on one side, and here is the second connection point, when the external housing is electrically grounded to the camera's body. The rotation of the shutter mechanism, which is grounded to the body, creates contact with this metal tab, closing the circuit to trigger the flash. The internal mechanics are in good condition. I've decided not to restore the flash functionality for now, so I'll move on to a thorough cleaning and reassembly, getting this beauty ready to head out for a shoot. For this shoot, I loaded a roll of Ilford HP5 Plus. Let's see what this 1951 lens can do.